Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and in this tutorial we take a look at task 2.03, changing and selection of gears. This is from the Heavy Vehicle Driving Assessment, Competency-Based Training Assessment, classes LR and MR for South Australian applicants. The information in this tutorial comes from the Trainee Guide for Light and Medium Rigid Vehicles, Competency-Based Training and Assessments issued by the Government of South Australia. Let's take a look at the learning outcome. The applicant must be able to change up and down through all the gears and select the appropriate gear for variable speeds in a safe and efficient manner on level ground, demonstrating competent operational skills with manual transmission. The applicant will, without assistance, demonstrate smooth and efficient gear changing without lurching, clashing, or missing the intended gear, in full compliance with the conditions and performance criteria. Road and traffic conditions which place a slight demand on the applicant with light to medium traffic is a condition, as well as intersections requiring stopping, slowing, or turning. Level ground or with minimal gradient. Vehicle laden, class MR only. The trainee will on one occasion and without any assistance demonstrate smooth and efficient gear changing without lurching, clashing, or missing the intended gear in full compliance with the conditions and performance criteria. Note: to allow up to 3 mischanged gears provided they are effectively managed. Clutchless gear changing is not acceptable. No unnecessary force placed on the gear lever. Let's take a look at the performance criteria. Change up progressively through each gear, including splitters if applicable. Minimum requirement 3 sets for LR-MR, 2 sets for HR-HC. Change down progressively through each gear, excluding first gear. Minimum requirement 3 sets for LR-MR, 2 sets for HR-HC. Select the appropriate gear for variable road speeds, skip change. Minimum requirements 3 sets. Skip change, suggested speed 80 down to 50 km per hour and 60 to 25 km per hour. Maintain smooth transition in gear changing. Change gears without lurching, clashing, or missing the intended gear. Comply with rules of braking/steering. Maintain complete control of the vehicle. Thanks for watching. This has been Brendan from Watto Training.